Everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can make a YouTube channel. So to make a YouTube channel, go ahead and open up Safari. And if you are using the Android device, you can just go ahead and open up any web browser. And once you are here, go ahead and tap on that human icon up here on the top right corner. Now go ahead and select sign in, and here you can just select your Google account or you can just use another one. I'll just select another one and I'll go ahead and tap on use another one. Now in the empty area, go ahead and type down email or phone number. If you have forgotten your email, go ahead and tap on forgot email and reset your email. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on next. Now go ahead and type down your password and tap on next. Now once it's done, skip this part if you want to skip. And once it's done, now you can see this YouTube channel is logged in, and go ahead and tap on that top right corner again and tap on your channel. Now here you'll have the option to create a channel. You can just add any name of your choice and create a channel. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.